Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and I'm with David here, and we're gonna fix another Google Pixel 5 with a smash display, and this poor little thing will get a new one. So right here, we are gonna remove directly the display, so we can now see that there's clear gaps where the crack is most prominent, so we're gonna leverage on that one and lift it up to one side, and we're gonna remove the clip that's holding onto the display connector, and on the other side we're still gonna slice through more adhesives and remove it, put that to the side and off to the recycling bin. So this is gonna be quick, I think, but we'll know for sure what's going on with this smartphone, if it's still gonna charge up or turn on. Some smartphones really need a bit of time to recharge the battery because most often than not, batteries on broken smartphones are drained. And David has tried a few chargers and thankfully it worked. Bit of a scare there, and we'll see the percentage of the battery. I think this is boot looping like hell. Just trying to boot up. Just gonna wait for a bit, and I think it's on. Yes, it is. It's just a few tries, and finally it started. Shows us the lock screen. I think it's on 1% charge, so my theory was right. We're gonna shut it down for now, knowing that it's already receiving 1% more of battery power. So we're gonna focus now to the hardware fix, and we'll charge it up more after this screen swap. So as you can see, the replacement of a Google Pixel 5 screen is easy peasy, but you still encounter some technical issues on the software side, and if you don't know what to do, and if you are reluctant to go to a professional repair technician, maybe this will convince you. Sometimes it just doesn't go the way you planned it, so it's better to have experienced personnel, technicians like David here, to do the job for you. It may look simple, but they really make it look easy. Actually, if you try it yourself, then you might sweat bullets if you don't know what you're doing. Now we're gonna close up the device, and I think we're done. So if you have any questions, guys, leave a comment, message us on Facebook, on Instagram, or in Google. And this is a success repair once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels. We release new videos daily. Take care of yourself, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, speaking slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious.